Hello everyone, my name is Simran Jha and today I want to share my complete journey of learning SAP CPI with APIM. So let me tell you what it is and why it's important and how this course completely changed my confidence and career direction. Before joining this training, I had a basic knowledge about SAP CPI and integration concepts, but I was confused about how real-time integration actually worked in corporate sector, and I kept learning about SAP CPI, cloud integration, and digital transformation, but I didn't understand how everything connects practically. So that's when I decided to learn SAP CPI with APIM. Let me first explain in simple words what is SAP CPI with APIM. SAP CPI stands for Cloud Platform Integration. It's a cloud-based middleware tool used to integrate different systems like SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP, cloud to on-premise, and third-party applications. In today's digital world, no company works on just one system. They used multiple applications like SuccessFactors, S4HANA, Ariba, Salesforce, and third-party tools. And all these systems need to talk to each other. That communication is done through integration. So that's where SAP plays a major role. Now API management is just about managing, securing, monitoring, and exposing APIs in a structured way. Companies uses API to securely share their services and policies and secure endpoints and monitor API users. So basically, CPI handle integration flow and API manages secure API. So when they combine each other, CPI and API becomes a very powerful skill in an integration flow. So in this training, we didn't just learn about theory, we worked on real-time scenarios. We started with basic concepts, what is middleware, what is cloud integration, what is APIs, REST and SOAP, IDOC, RFC, OData, HTTP protocols, basic authentication type like basic, OAuth and certificates. So basically what is conclusion, this foundation helped me understand integration flow from the scratch. One of the biggest advantage of this course was real-time project exposure. So we worked on the end-to-end integration scenarios, error handling cases, deployment process, monitoring logs, and troubleshooting failed matches. So at the end, this made me confident, so that I can work on real-time projects environment. Now let's talk about career opportunities. SAP CPI with APIM is in very high demanding in India and abroad as well. So companies are moving to cloud. SAP is prompting integration suits strongly, and integration consultants are required in almost every SAP implementation projects. So roles you can apply for like SAP CPI consultant, integration developer, SAP integration architect, middleware consultant, API management consultant. And about the salary packages are attractive, especially if you gain real-time project experience. And the best thing is, once you understand integration project logic, you can grow very fast in your career. So if you're someone who wants to switch your career into SAP, move from support to technical role, upgrade your skill in SAP integration, or work in international project, then SAP CPI with APIM is definitely a powerful career option. Don't just learn theory, learn with the hands-on practices, work on real-time scenarios, understand the logic behind the integration. Because integration is a backbone of digital transformation. So at the end, thank you so much for watching my journey. I hope this video is really helpful for you, and this will make the right decision in your career.